Okay, guys, a military jet has crashed over a school campus in Bangladesh, where 19 people has been killed, over hundreds injured. It has happened today, the 21st of July. A military jet has crashed into building. Soon after takeoff, it was a technical problem. As I said, now 20 people has been killed, over 164 injured. The plane has crashed into a school campus. It just happened today, the 21st of July. Okay, guys, I knew something of this nature would happen in Bangladesh. I dreamed that in 2019, like what, 5, 6 years ago. Okay, so in 5, 6 years ago, God already told me what is going to happen in Bangladesh. I want you guys to read it. And in my dream, around 227 will die and injured. So far, it's around 180 or 190. I hope this figure does not climb. So 5 years ago, God already told me what is going to happen in Bangladesh. A military jet is going to crash on houses, and it has happened, guys. I hope the number of deaths and injured does not reach 227, but we will know with time. It has just happened. Thank you for watching. Please share it, okay?